Hello, future builder. Right now, all over the world, ordinary people are doing something amazing. They're using smart computer helpers, we call it AI, to build better lives, create exciting things, and make more money than ever before. It's like a giant treasure hunt. But the treasure? It's freedom. It's ideas. It's building your own future. And guess what? You have a map. You have the tools.
Right now.
The world's moving fast.
But you?
You won't just keep up. You'll leap ahead. This isn't just about big companies.
This is about you.
Your adventure starts now. Let's start where you are. You don't need to quit your job to win. Meet Sarah. She works at a small company, writing emails, making flyers, planning schedules. Every day felt like climbing a mountain. Then she found a free AI helper. Now, Sarah says, write a friendly email about our sale. Boom. A great draft appears in seconds. Make a simple flyer?
Done.
Plan my tasks. Sorted. AI gave Sarah a superpower. Speed and ideas. Here's the twist. Using AI like this isn't just nice anymore. It's essential. If Sarah's teammate uses AI and she doesn't, who gets more done? Who becomes the superstar? AI is your new basic tool. Use it to stay strong. Stay valuable. Stay in the game. This isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter with your new AI partner. Now, level up. Imagine you control your work. Freelancer, coach, maker. This is where AI becomes your secret weapon. Meet Ben. He builds websites. 2 years ago, a client asked for a new button. Ben searched, coded, fixed mistakes that took days.
Exhausting.
Today, Ben uses an AI coding buddy. He says, add a big blue "Buy Now" button here.
Poof.
It's done. Fewer headaches. Way more time. Now Ben handles 5 clients, or 10. He delivers great work faster, makes more money, sees his kids' soccer games. AI gave Ben the power to build his own kingdom. Brick by digital brick. When you work for yourself, AI is your force multiplier. Do more of what you love.
Help more people.
Create more value. And yes, make more income. You become the architect of your success. Ready for something truly magical? Imagine running a whole business and you're the only one there. With AI, smart people are becoming one-person wonders. Take Priya, a fitness coach. Before AI,
Stuck.
answering 100 emails, writing reports, chasing clients, 0 time to actually coach. Now, her marketing AI writes posts about healthy snacks, sends emails to new clients. Her operations AI tracks clients, sends check-ins, even flags. Client Maya missed 2 workouts. Her service AI answers questions 24/7, sends progress reports automatically. Priya trained a simple AI helper with her own knowledge. Now, she focuses on changing lives. Her tiny business feels huge because her invisible AI team never sleeps. Here's the big twist. You don't need a big company. You need a great idea, passion, and smart AI tools. The playing field is level. The advantage goes to the builder who sees possibilities. You can be a one-person wonder. Remember the treasure hunt? The biggest winners? Often the ones selling the shovels. Building AI tools used to need big teams, years of work. Not anymore. David saw teachers struggling. Cutting long videos into short clips took hours. He thought, there's got to be a better way. He didn't know complex coding, but he found an AI no-code builder. David just described his idea. Asterisk, make a tool that cuts YouTube videos into 1-minute clips and adds captions. Asterisk, the AI builder did the tech magic. Now, teachers love his simple tool. They save hours. David earns money. He built a magic shovel for the video gold rush without being a tech wizard. Your turn? Find a small problem people face. Use easy AI builders. Create a simple fix. No investors. No big team. Just your idea and the courage to build it. Could your idea be next? Now, the giants. Huge companies build the super smart brains. Big AI like Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT. They're like powerful engines making everything run.
But deeper?
Someone makes the physical stuff, the super chips, the factories. First, ASML. They make one special machine, a giant light laser carving tiny chips. Only they know how. No ASML, no chips, no AI. Second, TSMC. They run giant chip factories. The best at it. If they stop, the whole industry stops. Third, NVIDIA. They make the brain chips inside AI computers. Every big AI company uses them. These hidden champions? They build the ground the treasure hunt happens on. They find a critical need in a huge wave, and you build something essential. Big dreams need strong foundations. Look at this journey. From using AI in your job to becoming a one-person wonder to selling magic shovels. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. The world changes fast. But feel the thrill, not fear. This is your moment. You don't need a fancy degree or millions. You need curiosity, willingness to learn, courage to try. Your first steps? 1. Try one thing today. Writing an email? Planning your week? Ask a free AI helper. Feel the magic. 2. Dream. What small problem do you see? Could a simple AI tool fix it? Jot it down. 3. Explore. Watch simple videos. Learn tools for your world. Knowledge is power. Friend, the AI adventure is here. It's open to you. Don't just watch the future. Build your part of it. You hold more power than kings did 100 years ago. Use it wisely. Use it boldly. Go create something amazing. We believe in you. Now show the world what you can do. Your adventure? It begins today.